Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Naomi T. Grant. If this is your first time here, if this is not your first time here, thank you guys so much for tuning back in. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing some ways for you to incorporate some of your spring and summer pieces into the fall. Someone actually asked me that in my previous video if I can show you guys how to do that. So a lot of my accessories are going to be more on the newer side, but my outfits and my pieces are going to be older. So this video is a really great way for you to utilize what you already own in your wardrobe and pair it with some pieces that you just recently bought for the summer and spring. That's technically the whole concept of today's video. I'm going to be sharing a few different outfit looks for you guys and some like concepts and some different ideas that I think will be helpful when you're creating outfits for the fall. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you guys keep watching. I hope you guys enjoy. And hey guys, so this is the first outfit concept that I wanted to show you guys. So on the bottoms, I am wearing a pair of leather pants from Eloquii. I purchased these a few years ago. If they have a similar one, I will link it down below. Eloquii is a plus size line. What I love about these pants is that they have stretch in it. But I do have to get them sent to the tailor because they're a little bit big, but it's fine. And the top that I'm wearing, this is from H&M. It has like that asymmetrical neckline that I find very interesting. And I'm actually pairing this very neutral, dark, fall and winter looking outfit with pops of colors with my shoes and my bag. So the bag that I'm wearing is actually from the brand Looks Like Summer. I featured it in my previous video. I actually have a coupon code if you guys are interested. You can use that down below. But this bag is genuine leather and it is a dupe for the Bottega Veneta Jodie bag. Very, very popular bag. And then I have my mules that I recently bought from Zara, and here they are. Open toe, open back, yes, very summer inspired, but we all know in the earlier months of fall we can get away with some sandals and like more summer inspired looks. So here is the complete look, head to toe, very neutral. Oh, the sunglasses, I'm gonna link them down below. These are from Amazon. These were like 12 bucks. I really like these classic like retro aviator sunglasses. But this is the simplest way I think anybody can incorporate more of our summer pieces into the fall with accessories, because everybody has a black top or a black bottom, you know. And then just pair some of your more vibrant or bold color shoes and bags with the outfit, and there you go. If I didn't want to wear, if I wanted to keep it more cohesive, I guess I could use my Zara clutch, and you guys seen this like a million times. I got this from Zara. They have it in 2 sizes and this is still available, but this color actually matches with the shoes perfectly. So even easier way to get away with this outfit, because I'm only wearing 2 colors and both the colors match, and it's a nice way to just make an outfit that can be very simple, you know, black top, black bottom, and make it a little bit more interesting by adding those pops of colors. I also do think that the sunglasses do help because it does add a little bit of drama to your outfit, and I love a little bit of drama. So yeah, this is the first fit. I'm gonna show you guys another outfit doing the same theory of keeping the top and the bottom basically like a neutral fall color, and then playing around with accessories so that you guys can see that you don't have to keep it. I mean, black might not be everyone's favorite color, and might be a little bit too basic, you know. Maybe you want to play with something a little bit brighter or not as deep as black. So let me show you this same concept in another outfit. So I'll be right back. Y'all, it is 90 degrees in New York City, and here I am in a freaking sweater, but the content needs to get done. So instead of me wearing like head to toe in one tonal color like before, I just wanted to show you guys how you can still make an outfit that is still the same tones as fall and incorporate some brighter colors. So let me show you guys. Everything I'm wearing is old. I haven't bought really anything new for fall, so I'll try to find similar things. When I buy new things for fall, you guys will see it, don't worry. These are from Target last year. Faux leather brown jeans, brown pants. These are from DSW. I forget the brand, but snakeskin booties, you know, nothing new here. And a knit a knit cream. This is actually, it's picking up white, but it's definitely more of a cream color in person. But this is the fit, and then I'm wearing my Chloe sunglasses that I recently purchased, spoke about in a video. Absolutely obsessed. I know a few of you guys have purchased these because you guys let me know, and I'm so happy that you did because I literally am obsessed with them. I wanted to show you guys an accessory or a color that I think a lot of people don't like wearing in the fall, and it's actually orange now. So I would pair this with my orange Telfar bag. I have an orange Telfar bag. This will look really good. Orange and browns look so good together. If you have an orange piece and you're like, what do I do? How do I make it more fall appropriate? Pair it with browns because they are like sisters on the color wheel. They go together. I'm sure there's orange and brown, I'm sure. You guys can see like it goes. It blends. It makes sense. And it's a nice pop of color. And honestly, everybody's excited to see color in the fall because it's just this, oh my god, it stands out. Like it's cool. It stands out. It's cool. I love my Telfar bag. You guys know this. I have a whole video dedicated to my Telfar bag. Literally obsessed. But just because I got this bag later in the summer does not mean I will not be wearing it, because I for sure will. And just to like show you guys, this bag actually also looks nice with this Bottega dupe that I have. I got this from Shein, y'all. Shein, alright? Shein. And it feels like I got it from Shein too. It is not the most durable looking bag, but hey. Okay, y'all. Get into it. You guys see it. This pastel colored bag. Really cute. Pastels are in for the season. So yes, get your pastel colors on, whether it's like a pastel yellow or a pastel pink, pastel blue, all of those like pastel purple, cute little pastel colors. Yes, you can wear it in the fall. And again, yellow is another color that goes really nicely with brown because they are close to each other in the color wheel. So do not shy away from this color in the fall. Then of course, if I can pair that yellow with it, I can also pair this Bottega bag. Also very chic, very cute. And the bag is just very popular right now. So I'm happy that I was able to get a dupe because, again, confidence is key. I don't think I said this in this video, but confidence is everything. If you have the confidence, that's the biggest accessory of them all. No one's going to look at you and be like, why is she wearing that bold color? Or why is she, you know, who cares? If you're confident and you walk into the space like you're good, like you look good, you feel good, you're that girl, people are gonna give you compliments on doing something that is not as common in the season. You know what I mean? So yeah, move with confidence. Who even cares? There's no rules to this. Wear whatever you want, you know. But just want to give you guys some suggestions. So yeah, these are definitely more fall inspired colors. All of these pieces I purchased in fall or in the winter, and bam, what do you know, I have one of some of the most bold colored accessories that I can wear with this outfit. And I have brown colored accessories, like, you know, my brown, the new Bottega dupe bag. I'll show it to you guys. Like this bag that I recently purchased, I mean, it goes great with it. Like, you know, it makes sense. Like, I can absolutely wear a tan bag with this outfit, but it's kind of predictable, you know? It's kind of predictable. It's kind of like, makes sense. Doesn't really make as much of a splash. And not like I wouldn't wear it with that, but if I wanted my outfit to just pop a little bit more, perfect ways to add a little bit of color is with some accessories. Now, I want to show you guys how you can do pops of color in the fall with your outfit being a little bit more vibrant. So a pop of color in the outfit and then doing more neutrals other places, if that makes sense. So let's do that next. I'm sweating. Let me go wipe off my sweat mustache and show you guys the next one. Okay, y'all, so this, me and my lips smacking. So this outfit is definitely more like an evening look. This is more like date night, evening, girls night, all those things. And I'm wearing a satin dress. This is from Eloquii. I'm gonna step back so you guys can see it a little bit, but you know, with that cowl neck draping right here, really nice. Love that detail. You know, you can show this area, which is one of my favorite areas to show. I am throwing over a jacket, which I did mention in a previous video, for pieces that I think you guys need to own for fall, because they are here to stay and one of my favorite, most used pieces last fall. This is from H&M in a neutral tan color, and I'm wearing it with these booties, the ones I showed you guys before. This is the snake skin booties. So yes, the colors are going, they're making sense. And for a pop of color, which the pop of color really resides in the dress, this dress is a pop of color, but you know, this color does still go with fall. It's like that, it's still very warm, like there's a warmness to the color. And I'm gonna pair it with this kiwi colored Bottega dupe. Yes, it still goes, the colors do match, so it is a nice pop of color. A traditional color clutch would be something like that matches the jacket, so something a little bit more neutral, something that's tan cream, one of those colors would have went perfectly with the outfit. But just to kind of show you guys how you can swap it out, switch it up, and just jazz it up, make it pop and lock. I've had far too much coffee today. I've truly had far too much coffee today. But yes, great way to wear the outfit. Like, you guys see it, you guys get the look. Really nice, really simple, neutral. I love a nice booty. I've had these booties for maybe 2 or 3 years now. Might be time for me to get a new pair, or I don't know, who knows. I really like these boots and they've held up really nicely, I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, the heel on these booties are, let me try to get the heel up and stay. These are brown, so that brown color goes really nicely with that warm toned look that I'm going for. And yeah, very simple, easy outfit, but playing around with pops of color. I'm going to show you guys another look. Yeah, I actually wanted to show you guys something like super casual, very casual. So let me show you guys that now. This is the most casual outfit, and to be real with you, this is a more of an everyday outfit for someone like me with my lifestyle. Pair of brown leather faux pants from Target I showed you guys earlier. I'm wearing a sweatshirt that I got from H&M. I don't believe, no, it didn't come together. I have the sweatshirt and the sweatpants, but obviously you don't have to wear your two pieces together. The main reason why I wanted to show you these two colors together, because I mentioned to you guys how powder blue and brown, those colors go really nicely together, and I wanted you guys to see it on me, on my skin. I've always showed you guys like pictures of other people doing it, but I haven't showed you guys here on my channel. And this is a very easy way to do it. This is very casual, very easy. This is an outfit that I would wear to run errands, or to go to the museum, or to meet a friend really quickly, to go out to eat. It's very comfy, it's very easy. If I'm pairing it with my Sacai's. Now, these Nike Sacai's are not the easiest to get now. These are old. I've had these for like 2 years at this point, but they have, let me just take them off real quick. They have pops of colors in it. It is orange, it's green, it is yellow. And when you're wearing something that is a pop of color like this, you can wear whatever freaking colors you want anywhere else. So I wanted to show you guys a few pieces that I would wear with this outfit. Yes, I'm wearing tons of colors, but look, this neutral, this really cute, let me see if I can move this over a little bit. This really cute powdered yellow bag from Shein. Really nice outfit. Very simple, very easy, very casual. Crossover bag is like the way to go. And then bam, another crossover bag. Sorry, I have stuffing in this bag. But this is my Brandon Blackwood bag. And another crossover, very casual, very simple, very easy. This is a metallic green. The green goes with the green in the shoes. And yeah, I'm wearing tons of colors all over, and it goes. It makes sense because the pieces that I'm wearing on my body, my top and my bottom, is fall appropriate. So what can you say if I'm wearing bold colors that still fit into the season? And again, this bag that I've worn with literally every single look, it just goes with so many different looks, and the colors go well with the shoes. Now if I had a more neutral shoe on, like a brown booty, you know, something like that, to give me a little height, if I didn't want to do anything too bold with the accessories, I can pair it with a more neutral accessory with a brown bag instead. Let me show you guys this bag. This is not really brown, it's more like a tan like color, but still really nice neutral. This I got from Target, and this is still available at Target. I will link it down below. But you guys see, like, you don't have to play around with bold colors all over the place. Like, if you're someone who is, you know, not too comfortable when it comes to wearing color, you can pick and choose where you want to add it. But I like color, and I like incorporating color as much as possible. And again, confidence is everything. How you wear the piece really speaks for itself. So wear whatever you want and wear it confidently, and don't care about how other people might think of you wearing the piece. I'm comfortable in this piece. I mean, as comfortable as it can be in the summertime, showing you guys fall outfits, you know. But if the weather permitted and it was actually cool outside, this would be that fit that I wear if I'm doing something very casual. But I also don't want to look like I'm just wearing head to toe sweatpants, you know what I mean? So yeah, this is more of a realistic look for me for a very casual everyday. Let me see, I think I have a few other looks that I want to show you guys. Let's get into the other options that we fit before things get a little redundant. So this is a two-piece outfit. I'm wearing the same top that I was wearing earlier. You can get the same look and feel if you were wearing like a tank top, a bodysuit, something of that nature. I'm wearing it with a pair of biker shorts and a blazer and a pair of black booties. So I did tell you guys in a previous video a really cool way to pair blazers and wear some of your summer pieces is wearing it with a pair of biker shorts. You know, wearing biker shorts are still going to be appropriate. It's very cool, it's very chic, it's very edgy. Another edgy way to do this is if you were wearing like those what am I saying, those, I'll pop up a picture of those booties, the ones that are the Bottega dupe. Perfect way and very on trend way to wear this look, to wear with this look. I can even wear it with my Doc Martens. I just don't feel like going in my closet for them, honestly. That's the only reason why I didn't wear them with this look, because they give pretty much like that same edgy feel. But yeah, pair with a pop of color in the handbag. Let me know down in the comments below, which outfit did you guys like the most? Which outfit can you guys see yourselves recreating based on the pieces that you already have, or just because you liked it the most? I felt like everything that I showed you guys was pretty easy, simple pieces that I think most people have in their wardrobe and would have in their wardrobe for fall. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure that you guys like, share, and subscribe, of course. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.